How to fix Botim app Ringtone not working. So if you have this issue, actually you have a glitch on inside your application, we're gonna fix it right now. You don't need to open your Botim, just open your settings of your phone, click on apps options, search right now for Botim and click. Here you will find this list. Just go to storage option, click on clear cache, and here back, click force, stop and click OK. Come directly after this to Play Store or App Store and update your Botim app if the update is available. Come next, restart your phone, and that's all. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.